everyone. Welcome to the geography class of class 7th. We were doing lesson number 7, Europe, political division and physical features. Topics discussed in previous video. We were doing physical features of Europe. In that, we have done the southern mountains. Topics to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, we will discuss about the different water bodies of Europe. Europe is a large region with several rivers that connect its main countries. The main rivers of Europe are the Volga, the Danube, the Rhine, the Rhone, the Dnieper, the Dniester, the Thames, and so on. So, the larger part of Europe is drained by many rivers. Let's read and explore more about these rivers. Let's start with the reading. Rivers. River means a natural stream of water flowing from higher ground level to lower ground level. The longest and the second longest rivers of Europe are the Volga and the Danube, respectively. Means the longest river of Europe is Volga and the second longest river of Europe is Danube. The Volga is 3,692 km long and rises from a small lake in the Valdai Hills and ends into the Caspian Sea. Students, River Volga is the longest river in Europe, flowing through central Russia to southern Russia. It rises from the lake in the Valdai Hills and drains into the Caspian Sea. It has a length of 3,692 kilometers. It is also Europe's largest river in the terms of discharge and drainage basin. It is widely regarded as the national river of Russia. Moscow is an important city located near the river Volga, whereas the Danube is 2,860 km long and rises from the Black Forest in Germany and flows into the Black Sea. Danube is Europe's second longest river after the Volga. It is located in Central and Eastern Europe. It rises from Black Forests in Germany and flows into the Black Sea. The river is also an important source of hydropower and drinking water. Danube is the only east flowing river of Europe. Vienna in Austria, Budapest in Hungary, Belgrade in Serbia are the important cities located near the river Danube. Let's continue. The Rhine is the busiest river of Europe. It flows flowing north from its source in the Alps to the North Sea, where it terminates and forms a delta. Here the word terminates means drains and delta means a triangular patch of land formed at the mouth of the river. This river is famous for its picturesque Rift Valley. Picturesque means attractive. Rift Valley means a valley formed between two parallel faults. It is the most important waterways of Western Europe. Rhine is the busiest river of Europe. It is one of the major European rivers which has its sources in Switzerland and flows mostly in north direction through Germany and Netherlands and drains into the North Sea. It is the second longest river in Central and Western Europe after the Danube River. The Rhine flows through six countries: Switzerland, Austria, Germany, France, and the Netherlands, before flowing into the North Sea at Rotterdam. Bonn and Cologne are the two important cities, whereas Rotterdam is a leading port in Europe, are situated on the river Rhine. The port of Rotterdam is the largest seaport in Europe, located in the city of Rotterdam in the province of South Holland in the Netherlands. The Ruhr is a tributary of Rhine. Let's continue. The Thames is a river of southern England, which flows 338 km 210 miles eastwards from the Cotswolds in Gloucestershire through London to the North Sea. The River Thames is a river that flows through southern England, including London, which flows 338 km eastwards from the Cotswold in Gloucester through London to the North Sea. It is the longest river entirely in England and the second longest river in the United Kingdom. The Rhone, 813 km, is a south-flowing river of France which empties itself into the Mediterranean Sea. The River Rhone is historic river of Switzerland and France and one of the most significant waterways of Europe. It is the only major river flowing directly to the Mediterranean Sea. The other important rivers of Europe are Vistula, Don, Dnieper, Elbe, etc. The rivers in Europe are mainly classified into three categories. Number one, rivers in West. These rivers originate from the Alpine mountain system, for example, the Rhone, the Rhine, the Danube, and Po. Second one is rivers in East. These are Russian rivers, for example, the Volga, Don, Dniester, and Dnieper. These rivers freeze during winters. Number third, some rivers originate in the Scandinavian highlands. For example, the Picora and Mizzen. These are short and fast flowing rivers. Lakes. Europe has a vast number of lakes. Here, the word lakes means deep depression on the earth filled with water. There are more than 5,000 lakes in Finland. Therefore, it is popularly called as a land of thousand lakes. The Lake Ladoga in Russia is the largest freshwater lake in Europe. Do you know? Mount Elbrus is the highest peak of Europe. It is 5,642 meters, 18,510 feet high. It lies in the Caucasus mountain ranges. This is an extinct volcano. Mount Elbrus is the two-thirds of the height of the Mount Everest. Number 2. Edward Whymper, the Englishman, was the first to climb the Matterhorn. After 7 attempts, he finally succeeded in 1865. It is a mountain in the Alps that lies on the border between Switzerland and Italy. It is 4,477 meter, 14,688 feet high. So students, this is the end of the today's topic as well as of the lesson. I hope you understood the topic and you are able to solve the exercises by yourself. Don't forget to learn the terms. I will come with the next chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.